Hello. Today we will install full SEO module for WHMCS Plugin on your WHMCS. To get started, go to the Order New Services tab on the hosting site. Next, open the menu and go to WHMCS Modules. Choosing the full SEO module for WHMCS plan and make payment for the plugin. If you have chosen the trial version, then just confirm your familiarity with AGB and go on. Now you need to go to the client area. As you can see, we have a key for the plugin, which we will use later, and a link to download the plugin. Let's load our plugin. Excellent. We have downloaded the plugin and can proceed to install it. Next, we need FTP access to copy the unzipped plugin to your server. You need to go to the Modules folder, and in it copy the plugin to the Add-ons folder. Let's move on to setting up the plugin in your WHMCS. You need to go to System Settings, and then to the Add-on Modules menu item. Activate the plugin. After activation, you need to enter the key that we received earlier and configure the plugin as shown in this video. We save the changes, and we get a message that the changes were applied successfully. Now going to the Add-ons tab, we can see that our plugin is successfully activated and working. Let's return to the client zone and see that the plugin has successfully activated the license for our server. Congratulations! The plugin has been successfully installed.